Today we'll spend our video getting comfortable with producing nearly free oscillation on double, triple, and quadruple stops. Let's start with the double stops. The lowest note is going to require the greatest amount of energy input, and weight is the only variable in the bowing. So if you go ahead and look at the bow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the bow and I'm going to just tip it ever so slightly towards that lower string so that I get a nice even sound between the two strings. We're going to first improvise with open string scales up and down, making sure that your weight is on the lowest string, and then when you're comfortable, try the opening of Paganini number 20. And then we're going to go ahead and try some triple stops. So these get a little bit trickier. Again, you're going to want to put your weight on the lowest string even when you're rolling the chord. So let's try a nice, easy G minor chord from the Bach Sonata in G minor. We're going to start with a triple stop and then change it to a quadruple stop. You can hear we're building up resonance with this, and you find out if you play it for a little while how much resonance can truly result. That's considered an easier chord though. So this time we're going to put it with an E flat major chord from Izai 1 and see if we can build up the same level of resonance. We'll start with the Bach and then we'll move straight into Izai. One of the things I find with double stops is that they take a lot of time and a lot of energy just going slow and paying attention to the resonance of the bottom notes, because those bottom notes have so much continuing energy that they cause the wood of the instrument to also move. And since the wood of the instrument is moving with a lot of energy, it's going to keep the upper strings vibrating. So if you focus your energy towards the lower notes, you're going to generally have a much more resonant sound on your double stops. The other thing to remember is never to press too hard. Keep the nearly free oscillation going, the absolute minimum weight in the bow that you need.